When attaching the yellow anchor strap to an object, make sure you leave the black carabiner hanging and use the other end to wrap around the object. Wrap the strap around enough times so that the part that's left hanging is at least 1 foot higher than the top of your head. Attach the carabiner to the strap that's hanging at least 1 or 2 notches above where the TRX will hang, and pull down to secure the strap. Use the black carabiner on the TRX to attach to the yellow strap that's hanging. Pull to make sure it's secure. The TRX has foam handles that are used for gripping in movements like the row and chest press. For some exercises, it may be more comfortable to grip the cradles with your hands, or to grip both cradles in one hand. Sit on your butt and enter the feet up into the cradles, and then roll over onto your side, and then adjust the straps to make sure that they're even. This is useful for all plank-based exercises. For standing exercises where 1 foot needs to be in the cradles, again you'll enter with the foot up into the cradle and then spin over to the side. With the TRX, both straps always need to be under tension, so if you're using single hand or single foot movements, that one hand or that 1 foot needs to be in both cradles. To make the TRX longer, press the buckles down and pull the TRX toward the ground. To make the strap shorter, press the buckle again and grab the yellow tab and pull it up. Make sure the straps are even. When taking the TRX down, more specifically the yellow anchor strap, make sure to pull first at the carabiner, that way it does not fall and hit you in the face. The TRX also comes with a door anchor that you can use to hang the TRX in your home. Place the anchor anywhere between the middle of the door and the door hinges. Next, grab your TRX and take the carabiner and attach it to the door anchor. On the other side of the door of the TRX, you'll be able to see the black anchor. In case someone's coming home, the TRX comes with a handy dandy workout in progress sign. Place this on the door so that no one pulls the door open while you're working out. To take the TRX down, simply unhook the carabiner from the door anchor and grab the anchor while opening the door so that you can pull the anchor off. If you own a suspension trainer like the GoFit that has 2 separate straps, you'll need to put them up slightly differently. First, you'll put the first strap up, close the door slightly so the strap does not fall, and then grab the second strap and slide it into the crack of the door and slide it over about 4 inches from the other strap. Make sure that the straps are even, and once you close the door, give them a tug to make sure they're secure. The GoFit suspension trainer has a rubber handle for your hands and a cloth foot cradle for your feet attached to the straps separately, and therefore one or the other can be removed depending upon what exercise that you are doing. There's also no issue to leave both attachments on the strap at the same time. To adjust these straps, press the buckle and pull on the strap until it reaches its desired height. Always check to make sure it's secure. To make the straps lower, you simply press the buckle and pull down on the handle. One benefit of this type of suspension trainer is if you're doing a single hand or single foot movement, you only need to use one strap. To place the straps on both feet, you need to cross one strap over the other and then spin toward the side of the strap that you use to cross over the other. If you prefer to spin the other way, you need to cross the straps in the other order. To take these straps down, grab the strap and then slowly open the door and then guide the strap off into the crack and pull it down. Do the same with the other strap. After using your suspension trainer a lot, it may just hang on the door, and if you prefer to leave it up, that's your prerogative.